In this video, we'll be replacing a Jalousie operator. For this project, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a pair of pliers. First, you'll need to uninstall your original operator by unfastening the 4 outer screws and the screw that's holding the arm onto the inside linkage. Keep your original screws in case you need them for the install. Choose a link arm from the 39-346 Jalousie kit that is the closest to your original operator's arm length. Next, attach the arm to the operator using the included rivet and E-ring. Install the operator by first lining up and attaching the arm to the interior linkage. Then use the 4 screws to attach the face of the crank to the window frame. The installation hole spacing of this operator is compatible with a wide range of Jalousie windows. For additional versatility, the operator can be used on either the left or right side of the window or door. Simply flip it over. If you have questions about this or other door and window parts, visit our part identifier and ask our experts at Swisco.com.